Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to download TikTok videos without Watermark. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. Now before you do that, I want to note that it's important to make sure that you have permission or written consent from the copyright holder of the video that you want to download and you don't own. Otherwise, downloading a video without permission violates the creator's copyright and disrespects his work, and we don't want to do that. Now, once you make sure that you have the creator's permission, let's get into this guide. So the first thing that you're gonna need to do is open up the TikTok app. This is just an account that I created to show you this tutorial, and here we have a video that I recorded previously, so I'll open it up. And as you know, TikTok offers you the privilege to download videos, so if you tap onto the three dots in the bottom right corner and then click onto the save button in the bottom left, the video is gonna start downloading into your mobile device. And now if you go to your gallery, the video is gonna be there, but you can see that it has Watermark appearing in it. So in order to download the same video without Watermark, we're gonna have to try another approach. You can come back to TikTok and again press onto the three dots in the bottom right, but this time instead of pressing onto save video, tap onto the button that says copy link. A letter message is gonna appear above telling you that you have the link copied into your clipboard, and after that you can go ahead and close the app. The next thing that you want to do is open up your web browser and navigate for a website called Snaptic. Once the results appear, choose the second one, which is gonna take you to the website and not the app. And from here, you can paste in the video's link in this box up here and then press onto the download button and wait for a few seconds. Once the video is ready, you can go ahead and tap onto this blue download button and a message is gonna appear above telling you your video has been successfully downloaded. So go ahead and press on to open up here. And as you can see, here's the video and you can notice that it has no watermark in it. But again, as I mentioned before, you should never do that without having the creator's permission. So that's it. That's how to download TikTok videos without watermark. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.